This is our campsite in the Bridger Wilderness outside of Pinedale, Wyoming. We have the Wind River mountain range behind us. Bit of altitude up here. I can tell when we're going for hikes and things like that, I get a little bit more out of breath. But trailer's set up, rooftop tent is set up, and we are also charging our solar panel. Sydney, my little tween, is going to set up her hammock, and oddly enough, we have cell service, so she is calling her BFF.
So tonight I'm making ramen for my family. It's chicken flavored, and I like to add sesame oil, chili paste, and broccoli.
Sydney's going to start the stove with a ferro rod. Nice, kiddo.
Thanks.
So Sydney's checking to see if the water's boiling yet.
Almost.
It's been a little bit longer than usual, but we are in a higher altitude, so cooking just takes a little bit longer. Our water is finally boiling. Sydney is going to add the ramen noodles. Sydney has her ramen noodles on the pot, and she's going to add some fresh broccoli that we got into town today. So Sydney just turned off the heat as the directions state and a little ramen packet. She's got her noodles and broccoli there. She's going to add in the little flavor packets that come with the ramen.
It gives it a little spice to it.
Yes, so Sydney is throwing in some fried chilies into her ramen noodles. Stirring up her ramen, we've got chicken flavored ramen with fresh broccoli that she threw in, toasted sesame oil, and fried chilies.
So I turned back on the heat to cook it a little bit more, and if ever you decide to make ramen or something, feel free to, add whatever sounds good to you, like maybe tofu or peppers. Be adventurous, be creative when it comes to ramen.
And we have Sydney's ramen noodles, which I think Roman really loves. We're gonna have a fabulous dinner tonight in the Bridger Wilderness. All right, Ro, how's that ramen?
I would give that 1,000 thumbs up.
Nice. Nice.
Oh my God, it's out basically.
Oh, it's gonna come out. No, it's gonna come. Yeah, it's gonna come out, Roman.
Wow. Let's put it on this for now. I don't want to miss it. Maybe it's not quite ready.
Just leave it in there.
Push it.
Oh yeah, I think
Wait.
if you did give it a little twist, it'd
Yeah,
come right
here,
out.
push it. Try pushing it back.
You got it, buddy.
Smile.
Tooth Fairy's gonna come to camp tonight.
Roman, can you smile?
So it's morning time. Day after Roman lost his tooth. Kids are searching for money from the Tooth Fairy. I'm just not sure where the Tooth Fairy left his little tooth gift. Roman, what'd you find this morning?
Money from my tooth fairy and $5.
Do you want to show everyone your tooth? Your smile?